After reading all of your feedback from my previous online classes, Culinary Education Basics, where you've learned the core principles behind the kitchen mastery, it became obvious that you guys really enjoy learning culinary techniques and the thinking behind them. Internet is full of recipes, but real, in-depth culinary technique breakdowns are very hard to come by. As I always say, knowing 1,000 recipes is not going to make you a great chef, but knowing and mastering culinary techniques will. And culinary techniques is exactly what you're going to get out of my classes. So, as per high demand, we've carefully prepared and launched a series of online classes that I like to call Master of French Saucery. This series of classes are focused on the must-know subject in the culinary arts, the one that all the professionally trained chefs know, and the subject is sauces. And not just any kind of sauces, French sauces. Master of French Saucery breaks down the culinary techniques behind the making of 5 leading French sauces. These are real, proper classes with full culinary technique breakdowns, with chef's insights and explanations on how you can use this new knowledge to your culinary adventures beyond just these 5 leading sauces preparations. Basically, once you master the technique of making each one of these 5 leading sauces, which is quite attainable, right? You can make any other French classical sauce. You will be the master of French saucery. So, if you want to be more confident in your own kitchen, become a better version of a cook today, and impress your guests with your new culinary skills, or maybe just learn more about the magical world of culinary arts, this series of classes are for you. Click the link below to learn more about these classes. They all are available on Skillshare as well as mine and tons of other cooking classes. First 1,000 people to use this link will get 1 month free premium subscription. So think about it, but not too long. I'll be happy to see you in my classes. Bye!